Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Caulking Tools is probably one of the most underrated sets of tools in your arsenal, but trust me, they're essential. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just starting out, having the right caulking tools can make all the difference in achieving professional-looking results. From sealing gaps to preventing leaks, these tools are your secret weapon for a polished finish. So, let's dive in and explore the best caulking tools to elevate your projects. Number 5. ALLWAY CT31 3-in-1 Caulk Tool. This is the ALLWAY CT31, a versatile 3-in-1 caulk tool. It's designed to make your caulking projects easier and more efficient. The tool features a comfortable soft grip and is made from strong engineering plastic. This ensures it's durable and easy to handle for any project. Quickly remove old caulk using the stainless steel blade. You can push or pull it to get the job done efficiently. The rotatable silicone triangle has 3 bead profiles. This allows you to create narrow, medium, or wide caulk beads for a professional finish. The plastic scraper is perfect for additional removal and cleanup. It helps to keep your work area tidy. It works with acrylic, latex, and silicone caulk. This tool is ideal for window, bath, and shower projects. What we like. This tool's 3-in-1 design makes it incredibly versatile. It effortlessly removes old caulk and applies new caulk smoothly. If you're working on various projects around the house, from windows to showers, this is the perfect choice. It simplifies the process and ensures a professional finish. What people say. This tool works exactly as described. I recently had multiple caulking projects including a kitchen sink with a lot of old moldy caulk, toilet and standing shower. All involved removal of old caulk before applying the new. This tool was incredibly helpful in the removal process and definitely saved me time. The tool's design allows for a smooth, even application, which has significantly improved the finish of my work. Made removing the old caulk a lot easier faster. A must-have tool for recaulking. Number 4. Silicone 3-in-1 Caulking Tool. Want a smooth finish with just one hand? Loosen the screws slightly on the back. This will help the tool glide effortlessly, but don't loosen them too much. You want a comfortable grip for perfect control. This tool combines 3 functions, an internal angle scraper, a flat angle scraper, and a silicone smoother. It helps you remove old sealant, reseal, repair gaps, and clean up excess glue with ease. The Silicone tool features a sharp, stainless steel blade for removing old caulk. It also includes a silicone trowel for smoothing surfaces and silicone pads for applying new silicone. This ensures it lasts a long time. This versatile tool is designed to quickly remove old caulk and smooth new caulk. It eliminates the need for masking tape, saving you time and making the process more convenient. It's perfect for various areas in your home, including the kitchen, bathroom, floors, windows, and more. Its smart design makes it suitable for both interior and exterior caulking projects. This is a great product for removing and spreading caulk. It improves the quality of the seal and enhances the appearance of the surface. One end of the tool is made of plastic. Avoid using the plastic end on hard surfaces like cement to prevent wear and tear. This will help extend its lifespan. What we like. The stainless steel blade and silicone trowel make this tool a durable and effective option. It's designed for both removing old caulk and smoothing new caulk, making the job easier and quicker. If you're looking for a tool that works well in various areas like kitchens and bathrooms, this is the ideal choice. It's convenient and saves you time. What people say. This tool is very practical and makes caulking projects faster and cleaner. It works well for applying, smoothing, and removing old caulk all in one design. The silicone tips are flexible and leave a neat finish without much effort. Number 3. King&Charles 3-in-1 Caulking Tool Kit. Tired of messy caulk jobs? This kit includes everything you need to caulk like a pro. It helps you repair gaps and clean up old sealant, making your surfaces look perfect. This tool is designed for corners and seamless joints. It improves the look of your work. It's perfect for any edge, corner, or joint, giving you a professional finish. The kit comes with replaceable silicone pads. You can easily clean them without wasting caulk. They are reusable and designed for a long lifespan, making the tool kit very practical. This tool works with most sealants, including silicone and grout. It's ideal for use in showers, windows, and sinks. You can use it in many areas around your home. This tool is designed to make caulk removal fast and easy. It improves the look of your surfaces quickly. You'll be happy with the professional results you achieve. What we like. This kit includes a 4-in-1 finishing tool and replaceable silicone pads for a perfect finish. It's designed to make caulking easy and fast, improving the look of your surfaces. If you like a professional finish and want to tackle corners and joints with ease, you should consider this one. It's perfect for both beginners and pros. What people say. Had all the tools I need and it didn't break the bank. You get a lot of great tools for all aspects of caulking and sealing. The kit looks solid and includes multiple shaping pieces, which makes it versatile for different caulking or sealing jobs. I used it while removing old silicone and applying new lines around my bathroom, and it definitely helped create cleaner finishes compared to doing it by hand. This tool made the job a whole lot easier and quicker. Number 2. Cocew Caulking Gun Kit, Easy Caulking Solution. This lightweight caulking gun features a smooth pressure rod for easy use. The 360 degrees revolving barrel makes it simple to caulk around corners. It's designed to be effortless to use for extended periods. This kit includes a dripless caulk gun and sealant finishing tool. It helps remove old glue and smooth sealing lines. This set is designed to be your helpful assistant during caulking projects. This professional caulking tool set is ideal for both home and outdoor use. Use it in your kitchen, bathroom, living room, or for walls, windows, and roofs. It's versatile for various projects. The caulking gun has a through needle to unclog blockages, and a spout cutter for easy opening of caulk tubes. The drip-free technology prevents dripping. The remover and scraper can be used for different angles and shapes. The high-quality caulking gun holds standard 10-ounce cartridges. It comes in well-designed packaging, making it a great gift. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us for support. What we like. The smooth caulking gun and dripless technology make this kit easy to use and control. It's designed for both home and outdoor projects, making it a versatile choice. If you're looking for a complete kit that offers precision and ease of use, this is the one for you. It's perfect for both home and outdoor projects. What people say. Smooth application. The caulk gun operates smoothly with minimal effort, providing a clean and consistent bead of silicone every time. The ergonomic handle makes the gun comfortable to grip, reducing hand fatigue, especially during longer caulking sessions. The silicone caulk that comes with the kit is durable, waterproof, and adheres well to surfaces. It's perfect for sealing gaps around windows, bathtubs, sinks, and more. Number 1. Silicone Caulk Tool Kit, 4 PCs Finishing Set. This complete kit includes 4 caulk finishing tools in various sizes. They are suitable for different sealing and smoothing tasks. You can handle any project with ease. The silicone caulking tool kit ensures smooth and even lines without any mess. It's a smart choice for clean seams and edges. This gives your projects a polished, professional appearance. This caulk spatula works perfectly in kitchens, bathrooms, and around windows. Each smoothing tool handles silicone sealing, joints, edges, and grout with precision. It is a versatile tool. The caulk spreader tool provides a comfortable grip and excellent control. These silicone tools feature shaped edges that reach tight corners. They help smooth seams with precision. The caulk tools are easy to clean with just water and resist stains. The caulking finishing tool maintains its shape after use. It supports long-lasting performance without any extra effort. What we like. This kit offers multiple sizes for various sealing tasks, ensuring a smooth and even finish. It's designed for both pros and beginners, making it a versatile choice. If you are looking for a tool that's easy to clean and gives your projects a polished look, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for achieving clean seams and edges. What people say. These things ended up being much better than I expected. The silicone sealant I was using really didn't stick to the tip of these tools at all. It just gently glided across the surface of the applied silicone around the tub, and came off mostly clean, unless you had too much silicone sealant in your bead. These things made cleanup so much easier than it normally would be. That's their true value. Any extra silicone that got where it wasn't wanted was super easy to clean up using these tools. And the benefit was it didn't leave a sticky mess when I was done because it did such a good job of cleaning up the extra silicone. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.